Everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to briefly go over the question called jump game, and I'll have a series of the video introducing the jump 2, jump 3, jump 4, etc. So that's like the variation of the same question but with different answers to expect. So let's get started. Before we start the real content for this video, I would like to invite you to help subscribe this channel because this can really help this channel to grow. Thanks a lot. So let's read through this problem first. Given an array of non-negative integers nums, you are initially positioned at the first index of the array. So each element in the array represents your maximum jump length at the position. Determine if you are able to reach the last index. So let's say, for example, for this one, 2, 3, 1, 1, 4, we are able to arrive at the last position because jump one step from index 0 to 1, then jump 3 steps to the last index. Okay, so let's see some constraints. So num.length is between 1 to 30k, and each number is between 0 to 100k. So I think at the very beginning I don't see any edge case at this moment that is worth to think about. So let's directly think about the solution. So usually after you understand the problem in the interview and figure out about the edge cases, the next step is to talk about the solution and do some runtime analysis, space analysis with the interviewer, and also need to make sure that you get an agreement about the approach before you start to do the coding work. And in the coding, take care about the readability, correctness, and don't be too slow. And after coding, you also need to do some testing. So let's briefly go over this piece of code. It's quite easy. So it's a greedy approach. So every time from each index, you try to reach as far as you can. So if the farthest point you can reach is equal to or even falls behind the last index, then you're going to return true. Otherwise, you return false. So we define two variables. The first one is farthest as 0 current index, which is the current position I'm at. So while the current index is smaller or equal to the farthest index we could get, so we are going to first try to update the farthest with the maximum between farthest and the current index plus the farthest position the maximum steps we could take at the current index. So if the farthest is at or even behind the last index, then we are going to return true. And then we are going to plus index. Otherwise, we are going to return false because it's not achievable to achieve at the last index. So the runtime is going to be all of n, space-wise is going to be constant. So when I say n is the length of the input nums array. So that's it for this coding question. If you like this video, please help subscribe this channel. If you have any question, feel free to leave some comments below, and I'll reply that as far as I see that. So, and thanks for your time, and I'll see you next time.